Is your couch slowly killing you? Stay tuned to find out more information. Hello and welcome back to Sarah's Joyful Journey. I'm Sarah Joy, and today I have a very serious question for you. Is your couch slowly killing you? I'm going to go over a series of 3 questions with you, and if you can answer yes to any of these, it is possible that your couch is slowly killing you. Do you spend more than 6 hours a day sitting? This could be driving, it could be at your desk, it could be in just on the couch watching your favorite TV show. Take a minute, reflect, and write down your answer. Question number 2. Do you regularly feel stiff and tired or foggy after you've been sitting for long periods of time? Question number 3. Has movement taken a backseat in your life? Is it no longer a part of your daily routine? Well, my friends, if you answered yes to any of these questions, you are not alone. And I don't mean to be dramatic, but there is a very serious chance that our couches are slowly killing us due to our lack of movement. So today, I want to talk a little bit about why movement is important, encourage you, and then challenge you on a new challenge that we will be kicking off on this channel on January 15th. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned for all those details because there's gonna be something fun to give away at the end. So it's no secret, our bodies are designed to move. A body in motion stays in motion. When we sit, we become very stagnant and still, and that's when we start noticing the aches and the pains and all that kind of stuff. We have decreased energy. It's harder to get up and move around. We don't have the mobility we like when we are chronically sitting. Our bodies are not designed for that. Our bodies are designed to move around and be active. According to our government standards, we do need to be active 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity activity every week. Can you answer if you are meeting that goal? I know I'm not meeting that goal. But what happens to our bodies when we're not moving other than just being stiff? How is it slowly killing us? Well, one, when we're not moving, we are reducing our metabolism. Our bodies need to burn less energy to just sit still. So our metabolism is going to slow down. It also increases our risk of insulin resistance. And if you're already insulin resistant, your insulin resistance can get worse when you're chronically sitting around. As an insulin resistance person and person who's been on a journey for several years now to keep their insulin resistance under control and eventually reverse it, that's not something I wanted to hear. Also, being a psych major, I have found that it can actually shrink your brain. That's just not cool. So yeah, those are some dramatic things that can happen when we are not moving. But I do want to encourage you, you are never too old to start on a health journey. You can start simply where you're at. But how do you do that, you may ask? You just get up and move. Move every hour. Move for 5 minutes an hour. You'll be surprised at how much that adds up into more activity in your life. Park a little further. Take the long route to the mailbox, or my favorite thing at work is I walk to the really far restroom because it takes me 2 to 3 minutes to get there just to use the restroom. So I'm adding extra movement into my day. And it's hard. I get it. It is not easy. But like I said, you can start small, 5-10 minutes a day, and you will make bigger improvements. Just keep going. Be consistent. That is the biggest secret to a health journey, is being consistent. I don't know about you, but I definitely do not want to let my couch continue to slowly kill me. So how am I going to change that? For the next 90 days, starting on June 15th, have a 90 in 90 challenge. So the challenge is we're going to move 90 minutes a day. Just move. There's no particular exercise that you have to do. This could be stretching. This could be rocking. This is going to be rebounding for me because I love it. It could be yoga and Tai Chi and all kinds of things. Whatever you want to do, simply move your body for 90 minutes. Clean the slow way. Take the longer path. All these things you can do to increase that movement so that you are moving your body more and more every day so that you can live that long, healthy life. And I can live that long, healthy life too. So if you want to join me on the 90 and 90 challenge, go ahead and send me an email, or actually visit my website. I'll put it right down below at sarahsjoyfuljourney.com. And there's a subscribe button for my email newsletter. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, letting me know that you want to join on this challenge. What benefits do you get of joining this challenge? One, I'm going to send you a free PDF that you can track your movements. We're going to take this 90-day journey again starting June 15th all the way up to September 24th. You will also get weekly encouraging emails from me just checking in on how you're doing with the journey and keeping you motivated to keep going. So finish this journey. If you finish this journey and you complete your entire checklist, which I hope that you will be able to do, I love tracking movement this way. At the end of the challenge, you will have 7 days to return that checklist to me through email. If you return that checklist to me, you're going to be entered to win an amazing prize that will continue to help you on your health journey. You will get a 30-day coaching program with me as your prize. It's a $350 value. There is no cash value to this giveaway. You do, however, need to reside in the United States just for legality reasons. But I really hope that you will take some time and consider joining me and seeing how you can improve your health over the next 90 days. It's going to be an amazing journey. If you follow me along, there'll be updates on this channel. If you join over on my Facebook group or Instagram, there's going to be daily posts as well, just reminding you to move, things to challenge you, to think about, to keep you encouraged and keep that motivation high. And most of all, you'll have support of me. So definitely follow me on Instagram, follow me join the Facebook group. You'll be able to reach out to me through email and ask your questions and just let me know how I can support you on this journey. So I'm super excited for it. I hope you are super excited for it, and I cannot wait to begin this 90 days of 90 minutes of movement. It's going to be amazing. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that every time I come up with a crazy idea working out, you will be able to be alerted to it. Have a wonderful and joyful day, and bye for now.